The Nothing Phone 2A just got a massive price drop, and it's available now on Flipkart. Is this the perfect time to grab one of the most stylish, high-performing budget phones? Let's dive into all the details, discounts, and features you need to know. Welcome to the channel, your ultimate hub for the latest tech deals and updates. Today we're talking about the Nothing Phone 2A, a smartphone that has taken the budget segment by storm with its innovative design and exceptional performance. But here's the exciting part. It's now available at a jaw-dropping price on Flipkart, paired with exclusive bank offers. Let's find out if this is the deal you've been waiting for. The Nothing Phone 2A is no ordinary smartphone. It stands out from the crowd with its bold and futuristic design featuring 6.7-inch OLED display. Enjoy vibrant visuals with FHD plus resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling, and a peak brightness of 1300 nits, perfect for HDR content. MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra processor. Whether it's gaming or multitasking, this chip delivers a smooth and lag-free experience. Glyph interface and transparent rear design, a standout feature that sets the Nothing Phone 2A apart. Its light-up Glyph interface not only looks cool, but also offers practical functionality. Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.5. Get a clean, fast, and user-friendly software experience that's as unique as the phone itself. Dual camera setup. A 50MP primary camera and a 50MP ultra-wide lens ensure your photos are sharp and vibrant. Plus, the 32MP front-facing camera takes stunning selfies. Battery life. Powered by a 5000 mAh battery, this phone can last all day. And with 45W fast charging, you can get back to full power in no time. This phone isn't just about the specs. It's about the balance of performance, design, and value. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it perfect for everyday use. The 120 Hz refresh rate enhances your experience while gaming or streaming. The transparent back and Glyph lighting make it a conversation starter wherever you go. Here's the exciting part. Flipkart is offering a massive discount on the Nothing Phone 2A. Base model, 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, now available at an unbeatable price, with additional bank offers for even greater savings. Choose between the classy milk hue or the sleek black option, depending on your style. Hurry though, this deal won't last forever. Experts have praised the Nothing Phone 2A for its bold design and well-rounded performance. John Mundy's review, a glowing 4.5/5 rating, applauding its build quality, smooth performance, and long-lasting battery. He called it the most balanced phone in its price range. And while we're on the subject of nothing, don't forget that the company is gearing up for the Nothing Phone 3 launch this March. The teaser has already dropped, and it's creating a buzz in the smartphone community. Could this be another game changer from Nothing? Stay tuned for updates. So, is the Nothing Phone 2A worth it? Absolutely. With its unique design, excellent performance, and now an irresistible price, it's a must-buy for anyone looking for a feature-packed smartphone on a budget. Don't miss out on this deal. Head to Flipkart now. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech deals and updates. See you in the next one. Let us know in the comments, are you planning to grab the Nothing Phone 2A or waiting for the Nothing Phone 3? We'd love to hear your thoughts.